good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to today's session. We are learning C Sharp basic things, and today we are going to learn control statements in C Sharp. Control statements are fundamental concept that allows you to control the flow of your program. By the end of this video, you will have solid understanding of if else statements, switch statement, then loops, different types of loops. Okay. So now we will try to understand what are control statements. So control statement help program make decision and perform tasks repeatedly based on condition. Let's explore how they work in C Sharp. So we'll talk about if else statement first. So the if else statement is one of the simplest way to make the decision. Based on given condition, it execute the corresponding block of code. So suppose the current age is 20 initialized to this variable, and in e block we are checking that if age is greater than 18 greater than or equal to 18, then it should print this message: you are eligible to vote. Otherwise it will execute the else block and will print the message: you are not eligible to move to vote. Okay, so this way, if else statement is diverting dictating the flow of execution based on the condition. Now we will talk about the switch statement next. Switch statement are useful when you have multiple possible values for a variable. It's cleaner alternative to writing multiple if else condition. Suppose in our code or program, if we in our logic, if we need to have multiple if then else if, multiple else if and else if there, then we can replace it with switch statement simply, because in switch statement we can simply add one condition by using case statement. So you can see in my example, day value is 3, and inside switch statement I am passing my expression with day variable. It will check evaluate the value, then it will check with the all cases available inside switch case. So if day value is 1, then it will execute Monday. If value is 2, then it will execute the this Tuesday. It will print the Tuesday. If value of day is 3, then it will print this message Wednesday. If I am giving the value other than this, if it is the value is not matching with these cases, then it will execute this default statement invalid day with the message, and it will break the switch block. It will exit. Then we will talk about the for loop. So for loop are commonly used when you know how many times you want to run the specific block of code. The loop has an initializer, a condition, and increment. As I said, loop has an initializer. So this is an initializer part of our for loop. This is our condition. Next part in front of the initializer, we have a condition. Then last part is incremental part. So this way we can add for loop in our code to iterate over the values. So in this example, it will check the I value is less than 5 until it is less than 5. It will iterate and print this message. Okay, then we will talk about the while and do while loop. So while execute as long as condition is true. Until it is less than or equal to 5, this loop will get executed. It will keep the iteration is going on. It will print the message until it is getting uh, greater than or equal to 5. While in do while loop, run at least once before checking the condition. In while, checks the condition first, and then if it is uh, true, then it will execute first iteration, second iteration, likewise. But in do while, what happen? It will execute at least once before checking the condition. Then it will check the condition, and then if it is getting true, then it will again execute the our do block. So this is the difference between while and do. Now we will talk about the break and continue statement. So break statement terminate the loop when specific condition is met. So in our example, if we are working with for loop, and if this condition is met, like I is equal 5, then it will terminate the loop and it will exit the loop. While continue statement skip the current iteration and proceed with the next one. That means if we are executing for loop in our program, and if you have this type of condition, like if I modular 2 is equal 0, then it will skip that particular iteration. That means it will print all the odd numbers between 0 to 10. It will skip all even numbers. Whenever this condition is getting met, then it will skip that particular iteration and it will continue with next one. Now we will talk about the summary, what we discuss, what we learn from this video. We learn if else statement for decision making. We learn switch statement for multiple choices to replace the if else, multiple if else. Then we talk about the for loop, while loop, and do while loop. We also talk about the differences between major difference between while and do while loop. Then we talk about the break and continue. We also saw one difference. What is main difference between break and continue in looping statement? So these are essential concepts in writing the efficient code in C Sharp. Now please like, share and subscribe for more C Sharp tutorial, as I newly started to post the technical videos, programming videos on YouTube. Please give the subscribe my channel and provide me any suggestion if you have. I am happy to improve those. And also please add your topic or question on which you want to make a video. I will respond quickly and will make in the response I will make the video immediately. Thank you. Bye bye.